Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to uncover a secret that's been hiding in your pantry all along? This little gem has been quietly providing incredible health benefits, and today I'm diving deep into why you need to make it a staple in your diet. First, let's talk about energy. Imagine a food that's not only packed with carbs to keep you fueled all day, but also loaded with fiber to keep your gut happy. Sounds too good to be true, right? But wait, there's more. This powerhouse is also a fantastic source of high-quality protein, perfect for those muscle gains and tissue repairs. And what about those essential minerals? We're talking manganese, copper, and magnesium. These aren't just fancy words. They play crucial roles in keeping your body functioning at its best. Plus, this wonder food is rich in antioxidants like rutin and quercetin. These guys are superheroes for your health, protecting you from all sorts of nasties. Now, let's get into the real magic. If you're someone who struggles with blood sugar control, you're going to love this. This food has a low to medium glycemic index, which means it releases sugar slowly into your bloodstream. No unhealthy spikes here. It's a dream come true for anyone managing type 2 diabetes or just looking to keep their blood sugar in check. But that's not all. It also does wonders for your heart. With a unique combination of rutin, magnesium, copper, fiber, and specific proteins, it works like a team to support cardiovascular health. Studies show it can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. That's a lot of goodness packed into one tiny package. And can we talk about versatility? Whether you're in the mood for a sweet breakfast porridge, fluffy pancakes, a hearty salad, or a savory stir-fry, this food has got you covered. Its nutty flavor and unique texture make it a delicious addition to any meal. But hey, nothing's perfect. Some people with latex or rice allergies might need to watch out. Allergic reactions can range from mild skin rashes to severe digestive issues. So, if that's you, maybe proceed with a bit of caution. All right, time to reveal the star of today's show. Drumroll please, we're talking about buckwheat. Yep, this ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse that's ready to take your health to the next level. So, why not give it a try? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Catch you in the next video.